Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest update for Roblox and showing you how to effortlessly change your profile picture on the Roblox app for PC. It's a quick and simple process, so whether you want to freshen up your look or showcase your latest style, we've got you covered. Let's get started with Step 1. First, you need to open the Roblox app on your PC. This is the gateway to accessing all the amazing features that Roblox has to offer, including customizing your avatar and profile picture. Once you're in, it's time for Step 2. Look at the left side menu and click on the Avatar option. This section is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find an array of customization options that allow you to express your unique style. Finally, we're at Step 3, where you can make your changes. Whether you want to upload a brand new image or select one from your existing files, just follow the prompts, adjust the cropping if necessary, and ensure it perfectly captures your persona. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Voila! You now have a brand new profile picture that represents you in the Roblox universe. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to updating your profile picture on the Roblox app for PC after the new update. Make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Roblox experience.